So we got a new kitten and we're putting her to work. We put her a bunch of cat toys. We're gonna let our little kitten play with these toys and we're gonna see which one she likes the best and then rate them from best to worst. Here we have the fidget red mini balls. Now we have the feisty fish. This is the large cat toy donut. Articulated small worm. And this is the cat scratch maker. Purple rattle cat toy. This is the TPU spiky ball cat toy. Treat wheel puzzle. And the treat ball. And here she goes.
Okay, we have a clear winner, but let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite.
be sure to add the links to the Maker World models down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.